Welcome back. I'm meteorologist Mary Wasson. It's been a hot day with winds a little bit gusty at times. And as I mentioned yesterday, that red flag warning has been extended again through today, which means just a high fire danger. It's no surprise since we haven't had any rain since early June, or at least any measurable amount of rain. And again, the high fire danger continues through this evening. Now, to break it down for you, out of the almost 250 counties across Texas, 181 of those are under burn bans. And yesterday, the Texas A&M firefighters, they responded to 20 new fires that burned over 5,000 acres. So again, this is a dire situation. Make sure you are practicing any of those fire dangers. Just make sure you're not contributing to that. Now, our winds have been a little bit gusty at times throughout the day today, not as much as yesterday. We did have some 30-mile-per-hour gusts, but today mainly in the 20s, but all coming in out of the south, pumping in some moisture from the Gulf of Mexico, making it feel a little bit humid out there. That fire forecast still pretty high in central Texas. This is the very high category where you're seeing that kind of pink orange color. Then tomorrow, that fire threat does kind of lessen a bit, especially across parts of the Panhandle and North Texas, but still here in central Texas, we're dealing with that high fire danger. Temperature wise today, we've been in the triple digits. We continue to add on to that hot count. You can see Temple right now at 103, Waco 104, Cameron 105, you have Comanche at 110. You factor in that humidity, it's feeling a bit hotter than that. Killeen, the winter there with a feel like temperature of 111. Hearn also feeling like 111. Not a lot going on here locally with the clouds and the rain, but our neighbors to the north dealing with some possible strong, even severe storms. We now have a severe thunderstorm watch that includes parts of the Panhandle and into Oklahoma. And this is thanks to a cold front that's going to move in our direction by Monday evening and into Tuesday. So here you go. You can see that front as it moves through North Texas. This is Monday at 6 o'clock. It's knocking on our doorstep. It's going to move through Monday evening, squeezing out maybe a few spotty showers. But what you'll really notice is the wind shift from south to north, and that's going to offer up a slightly drier air mass and a slight cool down, with most highs on Tuesday not getting out of the 90s. So we are really excited about that. Heading up to school in the morning, temperatures not bad, upper 70s to near 80 degrees, but afternoon high on Monday of 104. But check out your 7-day. I want to point out those morning lows. Look at that. Tuesday morning 76, Wednesday morning 73, and then the heat gets turned back on later this week and into next weekend.